The non-fungible token (NFT) art market has exploded in recent months, with over 4.9 million sales worth well over $128 million reported to date. The dopey-looking cartoon cats, developed by Canadian company Dapper Labs, made their debut as tradable collectibles in December 2017, similar to Pokemon cards for the Bitcoin age. Hello viewers, we are Facts. We create videos about finance, cryptocurrency, CFD, and other exciting investment topics. In today's video, we will explore NFT altcoins and crypto art explained. This is the next big thing. To quench your curious thoughts, tag along with us to the end of the video, as it's going to be mind-blowing. The dopey-looking cartoon cats, developed by Canadian company Dapper Labs, made their debut as tradable collectibles in December 2017, similar to Pokemon cards for the Bitcoin age. Each picture was assigned a unique string of digits, a cryptocurrency non-fungible token, or NFT, that could be exchanged as a title deed on the Ethereum blockchain network, granting the holder ownership of a specific kitten. The trading game rapidly gained traction among cryptocurrency newbies, to the point where CryptoKitties-related transactions clogged and delayed Ethereum. This was finally solved, and most people had forgotten about CryptoKitties after that. However, the process started by the goggle-eyed cats did not end there. Its culmination is a Christie's auction that began on Thursday and saw a token associated with a digital collage of 5,000 photographs by graphic designer Beeple go under the hammer. Payments in cryptocurrency were, of course, approved. NFTs are flying off the shelves, and the Ethereum network, which has been upgraded since 2017, is better suited to cope with the never-ending sloshing this time around. According to a new study by non-fungible.com, a company that provides industry insights on NFTs, NFT trading will be worth over $250 million in 2020, up nearly 300% from the previous year. People are paying large amounts of cryptocurrency and legal tender to purchase tokens reflecting ownership of digital artifacts on online platforms backed by twins Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, such as Webull, OpenSea, and Nifty Gateway. These tokens are then often re-auctioned at higher rates. Some of these NFTs serve as substitutes for collectibles in the game. Before we move on to check the features of XRP, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated without missing any happenings on the investment timeline. Some of the NFTs are stand-ins for collectibles in the tradition of CryptoKitties, such as non-fungible Pepes, a postmodern attempt to reclaim the meme frog from the alt-right, while others are video game items. But they're increasingly connected to works of digital art created by real people, including Beeple, who sold a token for $777,777 on the Nifty Gateway 2 months ago. One of the biggest advantages of owning a digital collectible over a physical collectible like a Pokemon card or a rare minted coin is that each NFT includes unique details that allow it to be distinguished from other NFTs and easily verified. Since each object can be traced back to its original issuer, the creation and circulation of fake collectibles are rendered obsolete. NFTs, unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, can't be traded directly. This is due to the fact that no two NFTs, even those from the same platform, game, or set, are the same. They're similar to festival passes. Consider them festival tickets. Each ticket includes details, such as the purchaser's name, the event's date, and the location. This information makes it difficult to exchange festival tickets with one another. The overwhelming majority of NFT tokens were developed using one of Ethereum's two token standards, ERC-721 and ERC-1155, which allow software developers to quickly deploy NFTs and ensure that they are compatible with the rest of the ecosystem, like exchanges and wallet services, including MetaMask and MyEtherWallet. To allow developers to create and host NFTs on their blockchain networks, EOS, Neo, and Tron have published their own NFT token standards. A CryptoPunk cannot be used as a CryptoKitties character, and vice versa. This also applies to collectibles like trading cards. The Gods Unchained trading card game does not allow you to play a blockchain heroes card. NFTs, unlike Bitcoin Satoshis, cannot be separated into smaller denominations. They only exist as a complete unit. Each token cannot be lost, deleted, or replicated, since all NFT data is stored on the blockchain through smart contracts. The ownership of these tokens is also unchangeable, implying that gamers and collectors own their NFTs rather than the companies that make them. This in contrast to purchasing music from the iTunes Store, where consumers do not actually receive the product. This is also in contrast to purchasing music from the iTunes Store, where consumers are only purchasing the license to listen to the music, and not the actual product. Another advantage of storing historical ownership data on the blockchain is that objects like digital artwork can be traced back to their original maker, eliminating the need for third-party authentication. Because of how they revolutionized the gaming and collectible space, NFTs have become extremely common among crypto users and businesses. A total of $174 million has been invested in NFTs since November 2017. Gamers and enthusiasts will now become the immutable owners of in-game products and other exclusive properties, as well as benefit from them, thanks to the emergence of blockchain technology. In certain virtual worlds, such as the Sandbox and Decentraland, players have the ability to build and monetize structures such as casinos and theme parks. On a secondary market, they can also sell individual digital objects acquired during gameplay, such as costumes, avatars, and in-game currency. One of the key advantages of owning a digital collectible over a physical collectible like a Pokemon card or a rare minted coin is that each NFT includes distinctive details that make it both unique and easily verifiable from other NFTs. Since each object can be traced back to the original issuer, creating and circulating fake collectibles is pointless. Hold up! If you want to know more about the best investments, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get updated with more news about finance, crypto, and other investment topics. NFTs, unlike standard cryptocurrencies, cannot be directly traded. This is because no two NFTs are alike, even though they are from the same platform, game or set. Consider them to be concert tickets. Each ticket includes basic details, such as the purchaser's name, the date of purchase, and the amount paid. Some visual artists are enthusiastic about the new trend. Most platforms are easy to use, allowing artists to upload their work, automatically mint NFTs, and wait for offers to pour in, which are often higher than they would receive if they sold their digital artworks online or as prints. A UK graphic designer and artist Brendan Dawes, who uses machine learning and algorithms to create digital imagery, says that a print of one of his works will normally sell for $2,000, but his most recent NFT sold for $37,000. They are able to sell artwork in digital form directly to a worldwide audience of customers, rather than via an auction house or gallery, which enables artists to retain a much larger portion of their sales income. Royalties may also be programmed into digital artwork, so that when it's sold to a new owner, the artist earns a portion of the selling income. William Shatner, who played Captain Kirk in Star Trek, entered the digital collectibles market in 2020, issuing 90,000 digital cards on the Wax blockchain, featuring different photographs of himself. The money does not end there. NFTs can be programmed to pay a cryptocurrency fee to their creators every time they change hands. If a buyer of one of Dawes' pieces resells it, Dawes receives 10% of the original purchase price. When opposed to the traditional world, this is just another distinction. This royalty will be paid to you on a regular basis. Each card was originally sold for about $1 and now generates passive royalty income for Shatner any time one is sold. Supply and demand, as with all commodities, are the primary market factors for price. People are also willing to pay a lot of money for NFTs because of their scarcity and strong demand from players, collectors, and investors. Some NFTs have the potential to be extremely profitable for their owners. On the Decentraland virtual land network, for example, one gamer purchased 64 lots and combined them into a single estate. It was dubbed The Secrets of Satoshi's Tea Garden and sold for $80,000 due to its desirable location and easy access. In the F1 Delta Time game, another investor paid $222,000 for a section of a digital Monaco racing course. The NFT that represents a piece of the digital track entitles the owner to 5% dividends from all races held on the track, including entry fees. At 600 ETH, Dragon the CryptoKitty remains one of the most expensive NFTs in the room. In May 2019, the one-of-a-kind 111 racing car from F1 Delta Time was sold for 415.9 ETH. In January 2021, Alien #2089 was sold for 605 ETH. This NFT is part of the CryptoPunks series, which includes some of the very first NFTs ever created. There are 10,000 CryptoPunks in total, with just 9 alien CryptoPunks. LeBron James's digital collectible card from the NBA Top Shot series sold for $100,000. Angel is an Axie from the NFT game Axie Infinity. Angel, an NFT-based Axie from the game Axie Infinity, sold for 300 ETH. The NFT market's potential is exceedingly difficult to assess. The evolution and success of the VR/AR gaming industry, speculative investor interest, the relative stability of gas prices, especially on Ethereum, and the potential emergence of dedicated NFT-focused blockchains to power expanding ecosystems will all play a role. Critical problems, on the other hand, aren't going anywhere anytime soon. NFTs clearly haven't shown that they can hold their value over time. While volume is poor, it is increasing, and NFTs remain highly illiquid. Purchasing one is easy. Selling one, on the other hand, is contingent on finding a willing customer with similar aesthetic preferences. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comments section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas,